To check the ignition report of the vehicle, first you have to log into your user panel. After that, here also you will be getting the two options to check the ignition of the vehicle. First option is you can go to analytics. Here you will be getting the option as ignition. You have to click here. One new window will open for ignition. So here you can check the ignition on off of the vehicle. So here for this particular vehicle number you can check the ignition level. It is off or on, the duration of the ignition time, the duration of the ignition, location and Google Map link you can check. So what is ignition? So ignition is nothing but when the engine is off or on, that you can check from this ignition status. It's nothing but the engine off and on condition. So here for this vehicle number it is showing as at this time the ignition was on and at this time the ignition was off. It means at this particular time the engine was on and similarly it was off at this time for this location. So likewise you can check the ignition report from this analytics. And second option to check the same is simply by clicking any vehicle number here, and after that you have to click on the history report. Again one new window will open and here you can check the ignition status for whatever vehicle you want. So likewise you can get the ignition status, engine on off status from this particular report as well. So like this you can check the ignition status from history report as well and from analytics also. I hope the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching.